So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stack troops in total battle. So in order to stack troops, you'll first need to set up your army composition. That means organizing weaker units to absorb initial enemy strikes so your stronger mercenaries and monsters can survive to land multiple attacks. The key steps involve calculating some health ratios, also getting sacrificial tiers, and testing your setup. So using some specific stats and stacking math, it's a rough multiplier ratio. So if you go to your army and you get to using your guardsmen, your archers, your specialists, you can then set up these tiers of units that can span across multiple tiers. Then you can get your battle reports so you can get the best composition or best army composition, so you're stacking your units to absorb damage so your stronger units can deal more damage. So it's kind of a risk if you lose units early on. You may not be able to deal the damage, but it's also very important if you have a boss as the final wave so you can sustain the boss's attacks so your weaker units don't fold immediately. So it's really done through your army. You can get your specialist, your engineer corps, as well as your monsters and guardsmen as some base units that you can get to attack that front. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Total Battle or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.